Good job. So are you ready for the competition today?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Hi.
Hi. Just a second. I will open from the other link and I will be with you. We stopped yesterday at the 8th question. So I will start from this question now. Hi, Joanna.
Hi.
Hi. Now all of you can see the screen.
Yeah.
Excellent. Lena, not a problem. You can write anything you need in the chat box, okay? I don't need the mic. Now let's read the first question. 4 baskets. Oh, I have more numbers, so I will draw. If I have more numbers, I wanted to draw. That will be make the question more easier. I have 4 baskets. Contains 1 and 4 and a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, how many apples should moved between the baskets to have the same number of apples on each basket? So we have 1, 4, 6, and 9. We need all the baskets to be the same number, to have the same number. What's your opinion, Joanna? What's your opinion? Joanna,
No.
what's your opinion? How can you think about this question?
I don't know.
If you have more numbers, that means you have a 4 signs, 4 sign in math you will use. Plus, minus, multiply, divide. So that's we have in math we can do. In Arabic, لديك 4 سلات من الفواكه بهم 1 أو 4 أو 6 أو 9. نبي كلهم يصيروا نفس الرقم. نبي كل سلة تحتوي على نفس الرقم. What's your opinion, Rima? Rima is
I
here.
will write it in the chat.
Okay. Ransi, what's your opinion about this?
I think it's gonna be
Ransi?
B.
I don't ask about the answer. I need how many. How can you think about this?
Everyone will take, I think, 5
5. Excellent. How can you get this number?
because we have 4, and in each one there is a number. So we will take from the 9. We will take from the 9 4.
You are true.
Okay.
Yeah, you are true, but you cannot explain. So can I explain? Okay, I will explain for
Yeah,
you.
of course.
At the first, now you go to a garden and found 4 baskets for apple. And I need you to redistribute again. The word distribute is the same as what, Lena? We take it today. Distribute is which sign? Distribute. You will distribute the apples again. So which sign we will use at the word distribute? Divide. Yeah, you can answer, of course. So we will divide. Divide what, teacher? I will collect all of them. Let's take all the apples out and divide again. All the apples equals how many? Who wanted to answer?
Teacher, I know the answer.
Okay, now we just learn how to think. So it's not important for me which answer. We already have the model answer. We learn how to think about the question. So for me, you wanted to distribute again. Distribute means divide. To divide all of them, I will take all of them out and divide again. So all of them equals how many?
20.
20, super. And we have how many baskets?
4.
Excellent. Okay, now let's give the one. Now divide 20 by 4 equals 5. Okay, let's make the 1 as 5. So you need 4. And here you have 4, so you need 1. From this, you have 6. So we will take this 1 here. And here you have 9. And you wanted to make this as 5. So you have 4 left, and we will take this 4 here. Now, how many apples? Sorry, how many apples should be moved between the baskets? How many apples we moved?
Can I answer?
Of course.
5.
Excellent, good job. What's your name?
العاتي.
Wow, Lati, you are new with us today.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a competition between all of you. When I say 3, 2, 1, you will solve the question with yourself and write the answers on the chat box. But the first question I explained to give you challenge. Okay, now any question about question number 9? Anyone wants to ask?
No, miss, thanks.
Anyone wants to ask? Super. Okay, let's go to the next question. Oh, also, you can ask in the chat box if you need. Now, a dog and a cat walk in the park. We have a dog, we have a cat along the park, marked by the thick black line. The dog starts from B and the cat starts from Q. Now they moved on the thick black line, but the dog walks 3 times as fast as the cat. And that's mean what? If the cat move, sorry about the mic, if the cat move 3, if the cat move 1, the if the dog walk 3 times at the cat, so the dog will move 3 and the cat will move 1. So they will meet in which place? 3, 2, 1, start. I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
Hello, Miss I'm Duna.
Hi, Donna. Now we have a competition. Solve the question in the chat box and we will give you a heart with 3 points if you finish.
Teacher, I wrote mine 2 times.
Wow, super. Now, let's see. Donna, we are waiting for you.
Yes, Miss.
We are waiting. Now you can solve. Donna, I'm waiting in the chat box. If you take a heart, that means you take a 3 marks. And in the final, in the last of the session, I collect how many points that you get. Donna, we are waiting. In which point the cat and the dog will meet? A, B, C, D, E. And remember, the dog walks 3 times as fast as the cat. Oh, don't leave. Okay, now who take the heart? The first is Lena, Ati, and Maisam. Where is Joanna? Joanna, where are
Teacher,
you?
I wrote mine like up.
Yeah,
Like
I
where
found
my
Joanna.
points
Yeah, I
are.
found Joanna. Not a problem. Now let's see the question. I said the dog walks 3 times as fast as the cat. So let's walk 3 with a 1. Another 3 with a 1. Another 3 with a 1. Another 3 also with a 1. Wow, the cat is so lazy. Now 1 with another 3. So they will meet in E. Any questions?
No.
Anyone
No.
has a question? Okay, let's go to the next question. Walid has 6 bricks as shown above. Which of the following solid shapes can be made with 6 bricks? One only of them is true and the others is not true.
Teacher, I didn't get like the question.
This question or
Yes. This one.
you didn't get from what?
This question.
So we just start this question. I don't explain. Again, you have, Walid has 6 bricks. He will make them as a solid, but one only of these 5 is the true. The other is false. Which one of them is the true? A or B or C or D or E? Just try with yourself. You have 2 white and 4 gray. So which one of them is the true one?
Teacher, I answered in the chat.
I'm waiting in the chat box. Yep. Wow.
Sure, I think this one is the easiest.
The easiest? Yeah, because all of this has a 3 marks. But from 5 marks, you have to think. But all of this is with a 3 marks. So in the exam, try to be more faster on these questions because you will need this time on the questions with the 5 marks. Okay. Now, how can you think, Lena, about this question? Can you explain? Lena?
Can I explain?
Super, but we need Rima. We need Lena.
Yes, teacher.
What's your opinion about this question? You
I
have
choose
to white.
A, and that was wrong because I
1,
didn't think
2,
properly.
3. Yeah, because when you collect the white, you will find 3 white and 3 gray. So it's not correct. When we collect here, 1, 2, 3, 4 gray and 2 white. So it's good. Here you will find only 3. 1, 2, 3 gray. So it's not good because you have 4 gray. And here also 3 gray, 3 gray, and 3 white. So all of this is a mistake. Only D is the true one. Any questions about this?
No.
No.
No, miss.
Super. Let's go to the next. Don't forget to collect the hearts. Each heart has 3 marks because who collect the most marks will win today.
Okay.
Miss, you give
Teacher, I wrote
you
my
give-
answer in the chat, but you didn't like put a heart on it. So.
You
yeah,
give me.
What's your name?
Miss,
Never
right
mind,
now you.
never mind.
Just a second. What's your name?
Never mind, teacher.
I give all of you the heart. Only Lena said A, so she doesn't take the heart. Okay, now let's start with this question. Now, in this question, we need who make with the sorry, who holding each other with their left hand. How many places are two children holding each other with their two left hand? Joanna, try again. Joanna, try again. We have A, B, C, D, E. Which one of them is the true? Joanna, we are waiting for you. Okay, now time's up. Maysam, excellent. Good job, Maysam. Maysam only say the true answer. Only Maysam. So now, Maysam, can you explain this? What are the two?
The two girls.
The two girls. Okay, when I think about this, for me, sometimes I interrupt between the right and left. And also with the stress of the exam, I will interrupt more. So for me, when I try to solve this question, I draw. With my pencil, I will draw and think. Now, this is the back and this is the front. With my left hand, if I look like this, my left hand will be here. Okay, and from the back, the left will be here. So only two holding each other with their left hands, they must one looking for me and one give me the back. I think from where? Yeah, this. And from here, no, it's right. Yeah, from here, it's their right hand. No, no, no. Yes, this. So now how many? Just two. Yeah, you wanted to ask?
Yeah, but how are the people in the middle not holding with their left hand?
Okay, if this is the left, but this is the left.
Oh.
Oh, so you need the two hands will be must left. This is a right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. From here, right, right. So only here when someone look at you and from this look at behind. So you will found only two. For me, when I try, I start with drawing because in the exam with the stress, maybe you forget where is the right and where is the left. So you have to draw. Any questions?
No.
Excellent,
No.
Maysam. You get 3 marks. Good job. Next.
Miss,
Hmm?
Miss,
You wanna ask?
you give me when I answer that question. I answer D. You give me a 3 hearts.
Where on this question?
No.
Okay, the questions before. If I give you the heart, that means it's true. So on this question, only Maysam get that true because Maysam only say 2. Most of you say it's 5 and 5 is a mistake. Ransi said 2, but 2 after time, so I don't give Ransi the heart. Okay, let's go to the next. Don't forget to collect the hearts. Oh, now you wanted to see the choices. It's important. In this square, you can see the digits from 1 to 9. A number is created by starting at the star, following the line and writing down the digits along the line while passing. So you will start from the star and you will copy this with the numbers. From here, you start from 4, then 2, 6, 8, 5. And this number read as 42,685. Okay, but he don't ask about the number. We just waste our time. Now, which of the following lines represents the largest number? To be think about that, the largest number must has the largest place value. You remember the place value? We have ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million, like this. So to get the greatest number or the largest number, you have to get the greatest place value here and with a descending number. Now, which one of them, A or B or C or D, if I follow from the path of the star, I will get the greatest value, the largest number. I'm waiting. Wow, all of you are true. Excellent.
Teacher?
Hmm?
Teacher, so we all get a heart?
We take from this one, which is the greatest?
Yeah, we need the greatest number. If we follow the same path and start with the star, you will start with the digit of the star. You will copy this with the numbers and start with the star. So which one of them will have the largest number if you follow the path? But time's up, Donna. I think you have a problem in your internet because you are lagging. So now all of you, I think, take the heart because most of you say it's E. But now we need Joanna to explain. Joanna, why you choose D? Sorry, why you choose E?
It's because so I drew the passcode and then I traced.
So you start from, yeah, if you start from 9, you will get the greatest, the largest number. But you have two, where, yeah, you have two stars starts from 9. So let's see. After 9, 8. Okay, the 2 starts with the 8. And after that, they get 5 of D. And from E, you get 6. So E is win because 6 is more than 5. So we choose E. That's what you need to tell me, right?
Yeah.
Super. Any question about this?
No, miss. Thanks.
Okay, just a second. About this question, sorry, it's by mistake. When I think I found it's a mistake, it's 1. When you look here from a back and this is from the front. Now, where is the left? The left is here. Where is the left here? The left is here. So you have to be here to catch from the left. Right? From them, only this that you have. But here it's not right because this is the left, but from this it's a right. So this is not holding each other from the left. Only this is the true one. So I'm sorry about the mistake here. Any questions?
No.
Any
No,
questions?
teacher.
And
No,
I'm sorry
teacher.
for this mistake. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, here. Safa wants to write the word kango. By using the letters from the box, she can only take one letter from each box. What letter must Safa take from box 4? Think. The word kango. So where I will take the Kengu. Or from the 4th box. Which letter I will take? U or E or N or G? Think. Banan, you can join us and answer in the chat box. We just try to answer the first, and if you take the hard, that means you take the 3 marks. Good job, Banan. We will think now. Excellent. Most of you solve it correct. Letter D or the D chosen. But why, Rima? Can you explain for us? Rima, can you explain why you choose G?
Because the girl,
Mm.
I think she's a girl.
From you need the letter K, so you have to take the letter K from box 2. After that, you have the letter E. Yeah. So from letter E, I can take from box E because I will leave this to the last. After that, N from box 3. G only found here, and U from the 5th box. So you will found K, E, N, G, U, right? Only you can found the letter G here. Thank you. Any questions?
No.
Any
No,
questions?
Miss.
Thank you. Go to the next question. It's a puzzle. Wow, we have a puzzle game in a grade 6 also. When the 5 pieces shown as fitted together correctly, they form a rectangle with a calculation on it. What is the result of this calculation? When I found like this, I just take care about this from here and from here. So maybe it will be the first and the end one. Start. I'm waiting to see your answer. A or B or C or D or E and Y. Maisam, don't forget you will add.
Miss,
Mm?
can you see on the chat?
Of course, you can use the chat.
No, I tell you, can you look on the chat?
I'm already looking at the chat, but you have a mistake. So I'm waiting for you to fix your mistake, but time's up. So now, Lina, Joanna, thank you. Donna also. Now, Frida, can you explain for us this question? What's your opinion when you wanted to make this puzzle?
We have
Frida?
to. Yes.
Yeah, at the first, Farida, we missed you so much. Really. The class is not got without you. And the second, thanks for coming today and join us on this session. Now let's make the puzzle. Frida, love you.
Thank you.
Now try to be as a teacher and show us about this question. What's your opinion? How can you make the puzzle? Frida, how can you make the puzzle?
Yes, teacher.
How can you solve this question? When you show this question, when you see this question, how can you try to think about this?
First, we can draw a rectangle, then put the puzzles inside the rectangle.
Excellent. Continue.
Teacher, I'm drawing the rectangle.
Yeah, I'm drawing the rectangle, but maybe problem in the internet make me late. Yeah, now I draw the rectangle, and when I see I found someone without this curve, and this is without this curve. So of course, one will be the last, and one will be the first, right, Farida?
Yes.
Super. So which one of them will be the last, and which one will be the first? I think one will be the first because it's from this side, from the left side, you will find it's without curves. So 1 will be here and 0 will be here. Of course, plus will be on the middle. So now we found this is this 2, and we will found this is also a 2. Now 12 plus 20 equals?
32.
32.
32, so it's gonna be B. Excellent, so it's gonna be B. Good job. Now, anyone has a question? Anyone has a question?
No, I had a question, teacher.
No, thank
Yeah,
you.
you can ask. You can ask.
So, teacher,
No, miss, thanks.
this question, it will be in the Kangaroo station in 26 March.
Yeah, I told them yesterday about all the details for the competition, so I can't tell you again. Sorry, girls, just a second. I will tell her. This is all the details about the kangaroo. The exam will be at 26 March at 11 a.m. And for a grade 5, it's going to be 25 March, not 26, I think. The exam will be as a 90 minutes. Okay, the exam will be as a 90 minutes. The exam will be as a 30 questions. The first 10 question, this is the easiest with a 3 marks. The session for yesterday and today, we only take the questions with a 3 marks. After that, you have another 10 questions with the 4 marks. It's middle hard. The hardest one will be the last 5 questions because it's going to be with the 5 marks. The exam will be written by Arabic and also by English, like the questions that I bought. Please try to save all your time to the last questions with the 5 marks. Also, you can questions not closed. So if you found a question is hard, you can make a mark and go to the next question. And in the last, you can go to the question that you mark. So the question's not closed when you go after. Okay. What we need is the gold medal, and the gold medal, is from 98 points. So you have a 30 question with a 120 mark. We need only 80, we need only 98. I need you to get, I need you to get the 100 because I just love the zeros. I don't love this. So all of you will give me the 100 point, inshallah. Any question else? Any question again about Kangaroo?
No, miss, but it will be on school or online?
Yeah, the exam will be online. The competition will be online from 11 to 12 and 30. So try not to be late, and it will open at 26 March. No, for a grade 5, it will be 25 March. Okay. Who is in a grade 5 here? Rima, Ransi, and who else?
Me, Al-Ati. Only.
Al-Ati in a grade 5. Who else?
Oh. Miss, but Al-Ati, me and Ransi are from grade 5.
Ransi and Rima, I know them. Yeah, Ransi and Rima, I know them from the school. They are in a grade 5. And Al-Ati for a grade 5 also. Anyone else? Okay, let's continue. We are in which question? Yeah, question number 6. Yep, we are here. Now read the questions. A measuring tape is wrapped around a cylinder. Which number should be at the place shown by the question mark? So we need to see this number will be what? If you have a cylinder and you wrap the tab around it, which number will be here? That's the numbers you have. So now you can think and I will tell you the answer after you can think. And the first one who say the true answer will explain this with me. I'm waiting in the chat box, but you can take your time. The exam will be 90 minutes, so you have for each question, you have a 3 minutes. But for me, please try to save time in the first 10 questions. No one knows? I'm waiting. Only Banana and Maisam. Who else? Where is our TNIS? The most smartest students in the world. I'm waiting. Rima, Ransi, Farida. Good job. Banan, you are the first Banan with the true answer. Lena, excellent. Donna, excellent. Banan, excellent again, but you take one up. Ransi, good job. Joanna, super Joanna. Farida, excellent. Ransi, good job, but you take one up. Rima, thank you. Okay. Now, Banan, I promised you will explain this question because you give me the first true answer. So how can I think about this? I have more numbers here. How can I find this number on the wrapping tab? Banan, can you explain? Yeah, Banan, you have the first true answer. So how many will be here? And how can I think about this?
I got 69. I saw the one that has 20s. I saw it and it was like 10 to 20. So I did like from the 2 times table. So I went 20 and then here would be 20, 30, 40 and then the last one would be 60. And then I skipped numbers, and then it came 69.
It's a true answer, but you go with the longest way. Who will be the second? Lena, can you explain? How can you solve this?
Teacher, I actually solved like the way she solved.
With the same way? I need a way easiest more than this. Who have another way to solve? It's this answer, of course, it's true, but I need to be more easy. We don't have to waste our time in the exam. So anyone has
Yes, I solved
another
like
way?
them.
What?
I solved like both of them.
All of you solve
The
with the
same
same
way.
way?
No, teacher. I solved
Yeah.
a different way.
Okay, so can you say your way?
The first two measure, the gap is 11, so 22 plus 11. Then I counted. After that, I got 43, then 43 plus 11 is 64. Then I counted 64 until 69.
You are true also. So all of you with the same way? But good job. For this, it's gonna be 10. And from here, you take from a 22 to 31. So this number will be 69. Excellent. All of you are excellent. Any question about this?
No, miss.
Okay, good job. Let's go to the second question.
I got
You wanted to ask?
15 point.
What? No, at the last, we have more questions. We don't finish. So at the last, we will collect the points and see who will take the gold medal today. Now, this question. Wow, you have, it's look like the puzzle. But let's read the question. The 5 figures on the grid can only move in the directions indicated by the black arrows. So you have only this space to move them. Okay, which figure can leave through the gap? G. Let's try A, B, or C, or D. And you have only 1 minute to solve. I will take only the 5 answers, the first 5 answers. Because I need all of you to think with your eyes. Only you can move like this. So you cannot make it across. Only right or left, up or down.
But can I like turn it like? Can I turn it like up?
Okay.
When
Teacher,
A,
how
B,
can it
C,
go?
D, and A, can I turn it up?
Up, yeah, of course. You have the sign up and you have the
Okay,
sign
then I
down.
just solved it. You can see it in the chat.
Yeah, I'm seeing in the chat. I'm waiting. My super, who say the first? Who say the first? Frida. Super Frida. Excellent. Most of you solve correct. So most of you solve wrong. Frida, you have the first true answer. So who wanted to explain? Ransi, what's your opinion to think with me?
Miss.
Okay, Ransi, this gate has how many squares do you have on this gate? Ransi, how many squares do you have on this gate? Just 3. Look.
2
1,
or 3.
2, 3.
Yeah.
So when I try to
2,
pass A,
3.
yeah, when I try to pass A, okay, it will pass. But on this line, you cannot pass because you cannot break this part. 1, 2, 3, 4. So A will not go. Let's try C. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
You cannot only pass. You will pass, but at the last you will not pass. Teacher, can I make this a cross? No, only up or down, right or left. And here 1, 3, but this is 4 also. You cannot move. So let's see. B, 3. 3, also 3. Teacher, about this, okay? I can move it to the left. So B can pass from the gate. Now you understand? So the point here is the width of the gate. Any questions?
Not really.
No.
All of this only with the 3 marks. So don't forget to collect the marks.
Teacher, I answered the same answer, but you didn't give me a heart.
Maybe you are late. Yeah, you are the last. So now look, you will find the heart. Okay, now read the question. Let's read the question. Salma is going to paint the wall in her room green. The green paint is too dark, so she mixes it with white paint. She tries different mixtures. Which of the following mixtures will give the darkest green color? You know the ratio? The ratio between each one. So the first will be 1 green. This is the green. This is the white. 1 green for a 3 white, or 6 green. 2 green. 2 green with the 6 white. 3 green with the 9 white. 4 green with the 12 white, or all of this will be the same ratio. So let's see, A or B or C or D or E. I'm waiting. Okay, the first true answer is Farida. Love you, Farida. Lina, Rima.
Teacher, Joanna
Good job.
answered before me.
Where is Joanna?
Answered before.
Joanna, where is Joanna? I don't find your name, Joanna. Joanna, where is your name? I don't find
Now
your
we're
name,
gonna add
Joanna.
3 to our points.
Teacher Joanna
Yes,
did
we're gonna
write
add
it.
3 to
It's
our
like
points or
under
4.
Lena's name. It's under Lena's name.
Under Lina? Wow, I
Yes,
don't.
like before, like
For
for
me,
the
under
last.
Lina, Rima. Rima Ransi. I don't found Joanna. It's not come with me.
It's
I just
after.
found. Yeah, I just
After.
found Farida, Maisam, Lina, Rima, Ransi,
No,
Al-Ati.
over Farida.
Up of Farida? No, I don't found anything up of Farida. Farida is only the first. Joanna, try to send again because I don't found yours.
Okay, I'll try to
Miss, I got a question.
What?
I sent it.
The
Okay, now let's see why we say E. Yeah, what's your question?
about the exam. How many minutes? Like, if I join that's like 30 minutes late. Can I
So
do the
from
test?
11 to 12:30.
Teacher.
The exam from 11 to 12:30. So if you come 30 minutes left, it's gonna be 1 hour, and 1 hour is the 60 minutes. So I think it's not enough. Try to be on time.
Oh, okay, Miss. I wanted to ask.
Yeah, ask.
Teacher, I have a question.
Now I wanted to listen to your question, but you can write all your questions in the chat box so I can answer them together. Okay? You can write all your questions in the chat box, and I will leave you 5 minutes in the last. This is the last question. So I will explain, and after that I can listen for all your questions, okay? Now, Joanna, can you help me to explain this? Why you choose E?
I chose E. It's because 1 times 3 equals 3,
Mm.
and then 2 times 3 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals 9, and 4 times 3 equals 12. And
it's true, but this is not the mathematical answer.
Yeah, I know. And it's basically the same thing. It's because you add 1 part of green, and then you also add 3 parts of
This
white.
is the smartest answer. The answer before is not true. So this answer is true. Every time you add 1 green and in the other side you add 3 white. But I have another way. You know how to simplify the fractions. So the ratio is the same as a fraction. You have 1/3. Another one will be 2/6. So if you divide up and down by 2, you will get the same answer. 1/3. If you divide up and down by 2, another one, 3/9. So if you simplify up and down, divide by a 3, you will get 1/3. The last one, 4/12, divide up and down by 4, you will get 4 divided by 4 equals 1, and 12 divided by 4 equals 3, so it's going to be 1/3. So all of them, when you simplify, you found it as a 1/3, and also you said a smart answer. That's from the green, we every time add 1 part, and from the white in the other side we add 3 parts every time, so it's equivalent. Excellent, Joanna. Now the last 5 minutes is for your questions and also for collecting how many marks do you have. I need you to write your total mark for today only, because yesterday I already have 1 gold medal. So who take the gold medal today? Donna, you asked me about the questions. We take it now. Will be the same in a kangaroo. It will be with the same idea. Look like pictures, puzzles, playing, something like that. But it will be not the same, of course. Not the same questions, but with the same idea.
Okay, teacher.
Joanna, 21. Farida, the same, 21. Banan 6, but because Banan come late. If you come from the first, maybe you will get more marks. Rima, 15. Lena, 24. Wow, Lena. Rima, you think how many? Ransi, where is Ransi?
I'm not sure about how many I got. Not really sure.
Take the nearest number.
Teacher, she can go up and count
Yeah.
the hearts that she got.
Yeah, of course.
But should we add like the 4, or is it all 3 points?
4 hearts or 4 points. All of the hearts will be with the 3 points. 4 hearts,
Okay.
maybe. So 4 times 3 equals
12.
Okay, now
Yeah, I got 15.
so like العادي you get 15. Who get more? Who have more? Joanna and Farida, you get the silver medal. Lena, you get the gold medal today. Excellent, Lena. Good job. Who get more? I need someone will be more than Lena.
Miss, I got 18 only.
18? No, we need more than 20. Tomorrow, not tomorrow, next week on Sunday, try to study hard and try to get more than 20. Yeah, I know, Lati, you come late. So I told Banan and Lati, if you come more early,
Yeah,
of
teacher,
course you will
sorry,
get
'cause it
the
was
gold
like very
medal.
laggy. It was like the internet today. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's like so laggy.
Okay, not a problem. We will have another session next Sunday because every week we have on a Sunday and Monday.
Bye.
Bye, love you.
Bye. See you soon.
I'm waiting to see you again next
Bye,
Sunday.
teacher.
Bye.
Yes.
Thanks
And
for your
teacher, you
participating.
told me at school that at Thursday and Wednesday we will do it on.
Yeah,
No, I mean Wednesday and Thursday.
Tuesday and Wednesday we will meet on the school again. I will tell you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Love you. Thanks for